Happy Vlogmas! It's day 4! Woo-woo! I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. I hope that you stopped by Quilting with Stephanie Stitches and watched her Vlogmas at 8:30. And after you watch mine here at 9, you will head over, grab yourself your coffee or whatever drink you like in the morning and head over to Quilt Meets World to watch Russ's Vlogmas at 9:30. Today is a little look at my favorite kind of quilting, which is matchstick quilting. I really enjoy pretty much any and everything doing matchstick, though I would imagine I haven't done anything matchstick quilted larger than a wall hanging. I would imagine trying to do that on a big old bed quilt would probably be very tedious. So I haven't done anything larger than a wall hanging, and what I'm quilting or showing just a little snippet of is me starting the quilting on the Holiday Your Way mystery table runner that Russ and Stephanie and I did on each of our channels, wrapped up just last week. So I'm actually using that table runner as one of the giveaways for this holiday season if my channel gets to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm excited to finish that up. I will be the first to say I am not the most I am a habitual starter of projects, and I'm a very poor finisher of projects, so I don't have as much practice with quilting and binding as I should, considering the number of projects I start. So I am excited to create this piece for a lucky subscriber who comes and joins our little family, but I hope they accept it in the in the way it was meant, with all the love in the world, and understand that there will be imperfections, because that is not something that I have focused on, but could probably start making that a focus over the next year as I start really finishing, and kind of part of the reason why I got this machine, which is a Juki TL 18, is because it had a really cool free motion quilting table that I could get with it. So I will be able to do some free motion quilting on this, and I really do want to get better at the whole thing, so I can say I've really done it from start to finish, not just you know, straight lines or some wavy lines. I would like to get into some cooler you know, custom quilted things. So that could be a goal for next year. I'll have to add that to my list. But for today, it's just a quick snippet of me starting the process. I don't like, I know a lot of folks will mark their quilts with the Hera marker where, you know, and do like very specific line spacing. My very specific line spacing is I will sew down the one, pivot, go over, depending on my stitch length and how tight I want the matchstick to be. I will usually be at a 3.5 and I will go 3 stitches. So I will pivot, I will turn it, I will move 3 stitches down, pivot again, pull it around, and then go back the opposite direction, those 3 stitches over. I'm pretty sure I had started thinking when I started the quilt that I thought, oh, maybe I'll do 5 stitches over and see what that looks like. I hadn't done that in a little while, so I wasn't sure, you know, how tight it would be, but I ended up not liking it. So I think you'll see me go, I don't like it, and come back and kind of cut it in half, basically. I end up stitching in the in-between, and it worked out to be about 3 stitches. So I think it works out just fine. But yeah, so that's really the gist of today, is just a little look at what matchstick quilting looks like for me. Again, I'm not trying to say that I am the greatest quilter in the world. It's just I enjoy quilting this way. I really like the density that it gives the pieces, and I like well, it's precise because I do count those 3 stitches every single time, but it's not, you know, so you know, if I waver a little bit, I'm okay with that. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope that if you weren't able to start with Stephanie's Vlogmas, I hope you'll go check her out and then check out Russ. And then I hope you will be back tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. where I will be doing the prep work for tomorrow evening, or Tuesday evening. Yeah, tomorrow evening's New York Beauty kickoff, our first block for New York Beauty, which I'm really looking forward to. So, all right, happy Vlogmas, everybody. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you all for answering the questions yesterday. Yesterday I really enjoyed everybody's Christmas present memories, or our gift memories. I really liked that a lot. It was fun, so I appreciate that. I have an idea for a question for tomorrow, and I will let you all know then. Thanks. Talk to you all soon.